Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to deposit a check from another financial institution. On our savings tab here we have savings transactions panel and there is a check deposit button. When you click it, check deposit transaction button, form will come, and we have to select the customer account here. For example, we used customer number 20. We'll see that this customer has a account balance of 450,000 on his account. Now, this customer has brought a check. What we do, you look at the check and see which bank is the check from. For example, suppose the check is from Bank of Baroda. So from the check, you have to fill this information from the check for account number, this customer's account number. We suppose that this customer has another account in another bank, or somebody has issued a check to this customer from another bank. So you look at that check and fill these details properly on this form. For example, on the check there is an account number which you have to fill in here. For example, account name, the person who is issuing the check, where the branch is, and the check number and amount on the check. For example, it might be having 750. So you get this amount and you put it here again. Automatically the customer's new account balance will increase when you enter a new figure here. So now you can see every field has been filled properly. The reference number, as usual, is automatically generated. We didn't have any check transaction in our database, in our system. So this is the first transaction. This is the date, customer's account number, who is receiving the money from this check here. From this check, the check amount is this, from this company in this bank. So from there, if all fields have been filled well, then what you do, you say save. You press this button here, you say save. Say transaction has been saved in receipts. So the system has recognized that your microfinance has received the money from the customer, and the statement of this customer has been updated, as well as check deposit transaction has also been registered on this side of the transaction. Account balance still is updated, and quickly you will have two kind of deposit slips. Let's begin with this one. This is a normal deposit slip as usual. For it will tell you the customer's new account now, that has an account balance of 1.5 million on the account. So you can print and save as usual. Another slip is this one. Let me maximize it. When you look at it, this is the critical part of it, and you need to take care. You have to print it first. Customers' interbank information. These are the details about the customer's transaction in your microfinance, inside your microfinance. And down here, these are customers' external bank and check information. The bank from which the check is being got, and the amount and all the details. And finally the amount down here. So this is very, very important for printing and for filing and for follow-up purposes. In case you take this check for the to the clearing house and it's not cleared, or to the bank where you have an account and it's not cleared, this is the right information that you should present officially to the bank such that you can receive this money. So you should, as usual, go to your print button, look for the printers here, print at least 3 or 4 copies here, and file them for reference and for follow-up. So this is all about check a deposit slip, and the information is so crucial, and it should be kept in a safe file for future reference. So from there you can just close it because it's done and all fields have been cleared. The form will wait for another transaction, so it has increased another digit here on reference, waiting for another transaction to be made. But that's how we do it. That's how we save, or we deal with a check from an external financial institution. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.